Hi there, I'm Andrew D. Pope. Most capable and intelligent professionals assume that they are still building their career as they move into midlife. But over time, something subtle can happen. Without really noticing it, building starts to turn quietly into maintaining. The role is established, the responsibilities are familiar, the competence is unquestioned. From the outside, everything looks successful and stable. But internally, something has shifted. Growth has slowed, stretch has reduced, and what once felt like momentum now feels like same old repetition. I call this maintenance mode. Maintenance mode isn't failure. In fact, it often looks very much like success. You're reliable, trusted, experienced. You know the systems. You know the expectations. You know how to solve problems quickly. But that competence comes with an unintended consequence. The work stops stretching you. And without stretch, something important begins to fade. Stretch is one of the drivers of your professional energy. It's the feeling that your capability is being fully used, that you are learning, that you are expanding. When stretch disappears, your work becomes predictable, efficient perhaps, but predictable. At first, that can feel comfortable, but over time, it often leads to a quieter, deeper, more pervasive feeling. Something isn't evolving. You are not evolving. I've worked with many people over the years, and many professionals misinterpret this feeling. They assume that they've lost motivation. They assume there's something wrong with them. But often, the issue is structural. The role has stabilized. The environment is no longer demanding growth. The systems around you reward maintenance more than evolution. And that competence you exhibit has become something of a professional ceiling at this point. Maintenance mode is often difficult to recognize because it feels responsible. You are doing your job well. You are reliable. You are dependable. You are maintaining what works. There is nothing overtly broken. But over time, a lack of stretch creates a quiet psychological effect. Your capability begins to feel underused, and when capability is underused for a significant length of time, doubt starts to creep in. After a great many coaching sessions, I've noticed something interesting. People rarely say, "I'm stuck." Instead, they say things like, "I feel underused," or "I feel I should be doing more," or simply, "I'm not sure this stretches me anymore." Those phrases and others like them often signal maintenance mode. Not a crisis, it's not failure, it's stagnation. Now, maintenance mode is not necessarily a signal to abandon everything. This is where the misinterpretation often comes in. It doesn't mean you automatically have to reinvent your career. However, it is a signal very much worth paying attention to, because, as we've already established, long periods without stretch tend to lead somewhere predictable, underused capability, and that's something we'll explore in the next video. So, here's a question worth reflecting on, and be honest with yourself here. In your current work, are you still building something, or are you mostly maintaining what already exists? Now, there's nothing wrong, of course, with maintenance mode. Nothing inherently wrong with it. But over time, maintenance without stretch quietly erodes your professional and personal energy. And recognizing that early makes recalibration easier and more successful, and also makes your professional life far more rewarding and fulfilling. If this idea resonates with you, you'll find many more conversations just like this on my channel. So, subscribe and make sure you get updates. As mentioned, in the next piece we'll explore something closely related to maintenance mode, and that is underused capability, and why that can often become the turning point for capable professionals in midlife. Remember, deliberate evolution beats accidental drift. I'm Andrew D. Pope. Thanks for watching and see you next time.